Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Spring Hill local and long distance movers near me. When it's time to hire a professional moving company for your long distance move, you need a team ready to meet all your needs. Our professional movers will transport all your things, but we can also provide all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It can be hard to rationalize hiring a Florida moving company. However, looking at the cost compared to the benefits, it can be easier to see why hiring local movers is a great option. You'll save time when you use a moving company, and you won't have to worry as much. Since your movers can do the packing and the heavy lifting, you'll be able to relax knowing your things are properly protected. With a professional moving team like 3 Movers, the entire process will be streamlined. You'll get to settle into your new location sooner. Our team can get you moved into your new location in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Spring Hill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.